Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to explain you how you can work with that SK like shortkey with multiple condition, how you can apply it. So I'm just going to take one example for get a notification. So in this API we implemented that SK shortkey with multiple condition and how we can get with multiple query. So you can see this get notification API. It is expecting these four parameter over here. Now, for example, I need that data based on to whom I sent. So I'm just filling here some URL here, and also I need that notification sent from admin and to whom it is sent to this email ID. So okay, so as of now only these two part I'll be apply over here. Now if I click here to execute, you can see that we have admin and notification part. Now again I am coming to inside our API one. This is the one, and you can see this parameter only admin and particular email ID it is coming up, user ID. So this part is like that SK part. So this one that notify from, this is the partition key. So as it is that partition key, so we are providing here as a default here. So this is some business logic, like if you are sending a specific name, so that one only it will be take. If it is not, then I'm just passing it to one default name. But in your scenario, based on that business logic, it could be different. So my only intention here to explain you how query based short key query we can build here. So once it will come here, it will first check, okay, that notify from it is available. So it will take here that our user ID. Now again further it will check that, okay, category we send or not, notification category no, it will escape it. Then again it will check that notification status we sent or not, then it will check no, it will escape. Now in this part you can see that only that user ID we are sending it here, and what we applied here, this is like begin with. So as a condition it will be applying. If you come, so if that escape value it is applied, so then only it will be hit to our DynamoDB, and you can see we get here only one record. So only one record, and here this is all our property one. Let me show you from here, and you can see, so only you see this successful, and this is the notify from. So among that all the data we get just only one data. Now again if you come below, so this below one, like it is based on business logic, like all the general um, notification one, system generated message, that one also we need to display. That's what we are executing here. But as you can noticed here that we get only one. So I'm just executing this part, and in that UI level you can see that data it is coming. So this first one, like we get from a specific username, user ID, so which user ID we passed, and second one, that is that generic message. This area is the generic message. So you just focus on this area, that how based on user ID we get it here. Now for example, here I applied this one, like based on user name. Now, in some scenario, you might need data based on user ID as well as based on uh, that notification category. For your scenario, it could be some one more query you want to apply. So in such scenario, I am just applying here that as a receive. So as soon as I apply here, so this is like one more query. I am just building it up here. Now if you come and if you apply, just come here, notification, and so this piece of code, like, well, you will work on API side, then if your uh, business logic if required that SK, right, then this sample things you have to code, you have to apply over there also. And now you can see this notification also it is coming up. Now you can see these two part it is built here, that as a user ID, and this is the receive as a notification category. And that similar way if you come below, and you can see that exactly same thing we are sending it here, and in below, so this is value is there, and exactly you can see we get here only one record. We have one record, so we are receiving over here only one. So let's say okay, I'm executing that. Now instead of receive, let's say I want what are those message I sent. So that query I need based on this user, right? So in that scenario, I'll just parameter I'll send here as a sent, and I'll apply here query. And if you come here, so as you can see, there's our query. It is sending that user ID as well as a sent. So this query it is passing over here. So you, as you can see, so there is no record because this particular user doesn't send any notification to any particular user. So that message it is coming. So let me again change it to recipient. And this is for, let's say again further one more query we have to apply. Then we can apply here as a info, and you can call it to execute. And like that you can see there's multiple condition it will be apply over there. And as escape part you can see it is like long query it is applying. So this query, like if these user ID whatever notification he received, and uh, which notification status is only info, means system generated message, so he will get only those message only. So as you can see, I get here only one record. So that way you can apply that mm, SK condition. And this video it would be help for as well as backend developer while you will create that API. And this one also help for UI developer who is doing that integration. So this query you have to build in UI level also, that how you want to fetch the API, and to integrate your data to UI level. Yep. So that's it for this. And still, if you have any doubt or any query, you can reach to me or Sony for further more details. Thank you.